Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by measuring the opening precisely so the mesh fits taut and even. Take the width and height at 3 points and use the smallest measurement. Next, clean the frame thoroughly and remove any old weather stripping or loose paint so the adhesive and fasteners bond. Then unpack the mesh kit and lay out components, springs, tension rods, screws, so you can reach them without pausing. Once ready, position the mesh against the frame and align its top edge to your measured marks. You now fasten the mesh at the top, using the provided screws or adhesive strip and placing them every 6 to 8 inches to prevent sagging. Once the top is fixed, work the sides. Pull the mesh taut and insert side tension rods, or press the hook strip evenly from top to bottom so the fabric seats without puckers. Trim the excess fabric, leaving about 1/2 inch for a clean edge, and press in the spline or seal to lock the mesh securely in place. You finish by testing the door. Open and close it several times to confirm the mesh clears the frame and seals without resistance. If the mesh snags or gaps exceed 1/8 inch, adjust side tension or add a screw at the top to pull the edge tighter, and use thin shims where the frame is uneven. Once satisfied, trim any stray threads and press the perimeter seal. If wrinkles persist, remove the spline and retension the mesh. This usually fixes waves and restores a flat, professional finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.